How to clean a coffee machine and what are the most common issues? First, the drip tray is often full and splashed. You need to empty the liquids either into a toilet or sink. If not available, bring a small bucket to pour everything into. Don't forget to clean the inside too. Use napkins or rinse it if there's a faucet nearby. Dry it thoroughly. Clean top and bottom, removing all residue. No stains or dirty corners should remain. When reassembling, ensure all parts click into place and are properly secured. Next step, clean the coffee grounds container. It's usually located here. Shake it out as it's often full. If lots of coffee was made, it might be filled to the brim. Empty and level it out. Clean the small trough too, as grounds fall in there as well. Remove and empty it. Pour out the grounds and clean thoroughly. Don't leave any stuck or dried bits, as mold can grow over time. Make sure to clean everything well.